very much.
No problem.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Hello guys, and welcome to Yen Travel Thailand. I'm on the rooftop of GLOW Pattaya Hotel. I stayed here for 2 days. I made some recordings the first day I was here, but then it was a sunny day. But today, as you see, it is a little bit cloudy up there, you see. But anyway, I'm here at GLOW Pattaya, a brand new hotel opened in 2021. And on the rooftop there is a Volkswagen old model behind me here. And actually this was a place where the tiger also make a live recording from this day. There's a lot of people in the pool area, so there's a lot of noise. I'm sorry for that, but you know, it's not my private place, so I have to adjust to that. Anyway, I have my phone with my notes here, so that's why I'm looking down. As I told you before, this hotel opened up in 2021. I actually don't know how many rooms there is in here, but it's all studio rooms, and it's very cheap. Actually, I paid between 400 and 500 baht a night, and in my opinion, it's a very cheap price, a very low price. So I think it's actually very fair. It's in 3rd Road in Pattaya, and it's located in, I think, in the middle of 3rd Road. When I look from here, you can see all over Pattaya, and GLOW Pattaya have a very nice staff in here. They are very friendly. I was when I come here very friendly. They helped me because I got here 1 day late because of the stupid flight out here. And but anyway, I booked 1 more night, and then I stay actually for 3 days. Anyway, there's a nice view here, as you can see on my recordings made the other day when the sun was shining. They also have a very nice restaurant here with you can book with breakfast. You can eat here in the night time. Everything is okay, no problem. If I should say anything about pros and cons about GLOW Pattaya Hotel, I actually mostly have pros. But anyway, let's start with the cons. The only bad thing I see, and it's actually not a bad thing, but you know, the location is very central in Pattaya, but it's next to the address is 3rd Road, and if there's a lot of traffic, there can be some noise from the traffic. It depends about what floor you are on. Now I'm standing on the rooftop in 8th floor, and I almost hear nothing but the talking from the guest here in the hotel. I not hear any traffic noise. I hear a little bit, but you know, if the motorbikes have the stupid exhaust or something like that, or something, some cars are racing in the street, you can hear that. But anyway, it depends about what side on the hotel you are. That's the only negative thing I have to say, but it's actually not a negative thing. The pros, the good things about GLOW Pattaya Hotel is the price. It's very cheap rooms. It's studio rooms. I stayed in a room with, you know, have 2 king-size beds. So I don't know why, but I think they all have that. Some other pros are about this is a brand new hotel. Actually, the internet is quite good here too, so that's a very important thing for me when I stay in a hotel. And of course, a big pro is the big rooftop pool here. They have a very nice pool. Actually, they have a very nice fitness center or gym or what you call it. So that's really good things about GLOW Pattaya. So that was actually my small review about GLOW Pattaya Hotel in 3rd Road. So just book, feel free to book. It's very cheap, only 400-500 baht a night, and it's in the center of Pattaya. So remember to subscribe my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you subscribe, thank you very much. And like this video if you like it, and if you don't like it, don't do anything. I just want to wish you a great day, and I see you in my next video from Thailand. Yen Travel Thailand, that's me. That's my t-shirt. Whoa! See you next time. Bye bye.